Hello guys, I'm Halin Quaz to tell you in this tutorials how to go for Gmail recovery in case someone who has hijacked or hacked your Gmail ID or stolen your Gmail ID password and now you don't have access to the recovery email and the recovery phone number. What's the easy way to recover it? We will see live here. This idea has been recommended by one of my viewer to recover it, so just we will go for the recover. Let's see now. If I click on a try against, what will happen guys here? We are in account recovery. Just we will tap on a next and now it's asking the password. Of course we will go for try another way. Now we don't have a recovery this camera app, so even if we don't have the phone guys, so now here we don't have a phone number also. So now see here, what are the clue? Here is asking so that we did not provide enough information for the Google to be show that this account is mine. How could I make it mine? This can be possible guys. Answer as many as questions as we can. Answer as many questions as we can. Second, use a device where you have the sign in before, but we don't have both options. So third options we have, don't worry, just we will cut it from here. Don't click on a try again, otherwise this account would be a freeze, or you will have a further opportunity to buy a different email to submit proof identity on the basis of Google will recognize to justify that this account is your or not, but total estimated time can be expected more than 48 hours. So just we will come in the Play Store and we will have to come in an internet browser. This one guys, we will go for download it. So it has started to download after coming the Play Store. Now we will come in especially this instruction we will have to follow after coming the Chrome. Of course hold it and keep holding guys, keep holding. Now this notification we will have to especially click on here. Now we would be here. Now see here what we have to do. Just we will click here to make it disable of course, and then comes in the permission of course to let's come in a locations. Click here precise location disable and upon click here don't allow any way, and of course we will have to cut it from here. And we have the another browser that is especially Chrome. This is also product of Google, so just we will hold it. Now on these icons we will have to click, and upon of course we will have to go for make it blocks notifications, and then of course we will back and come the permission. In the permission of course we will have to go for locations, make the precise location disable. We will have to back more time, make the disables this, and upon of course we will back one more time, and here this browser we will have to firstly see here complete download. So right now we will come in an apps browser and here is not a comings. It means of course we will have to wait for installations. So let's see how many percentage has been installed. 69% has been installed, so we are waiting for here. It's a total capacity of especially more than of course 92 MB, so of course it will take time, so just we will have to wait here. Just we will wait here guys to complete installations, and upon of course we will go for just wait further 1 minute. Don't worry, we will recover it live here guys. Just almost the completed guys. It's working slow a little bit. almost we have completed, guys, don't worry. 91% is we have completed. 93% is we have completed. Further 5% is more, don't worry. Almost 2% is more, guys. Now almost done. Now see, it has been 99% is we have completed. 100% is, let it open. So it's installing now. Now of course we will cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will come in especially in the Chrome sector. In the Chrome here we will have to hold it. We will come in these icons, and thereupon see, installation has been completed. So we will come in apps browser, and we have one more, that is the internet browser. See, we will have to pixel this one, and we will have to cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will have to open this. Let's open. Now see, guys, here we will have to accept the term and conditions, and thereupon of course here just we will have to write always, and just we will go for here co.in. So right here just we will write here Google co.in. just we will write co, and now we will pick some these ones. Of course we'll go for declines, and here we will have to wait here, guys. Let's say declines, and thereupon of course we will go for sign in. In sign in here just we will have to write this particular Gmail that we would like to recover, guys. So let's see here. Now we will have to go for next. So step by step we will have to execute here. Don't mistake. Just we will go for forgot password. We don't know password. Now here we don't have especially this QR code. Now also we don't have the recovery phone number. So see, guys, here we will click I don't have my phones. Now it's asking here the more tips to recover your accounts. Here I'm not going to try again, so otherwise this account would be a freeze for timing. So because I'm trying to recover this ID via different browser, so of course Google will tracks easily that I'm trying to recover this ID that doesn't belong to me. That's why via different browser. So just we are not going to try again because it would be a freeze. So now what's the solutions? Yes, it is. Just we will tap on a special I'm setting to. Now we have to do nothing, just everything would be rendered by Google itself. Come in a Google service. In the Google service, of course, we will come in a help icon. In a help icon, what we will have to do here, guys, we will come in a especially consign in. Now here we will come in a especially you think someone else is using. Now we will go for secure your accounts, and in a secure your accounts here, see review your account activities. Just hit this ones. We will come to find out if your account has been hacked. Yes, this account has been hacked. So now just we will come in especially account recovery page. Click on here. Now once again we will have to type this here, this ID, and of course we will have to go for here, click to next. Now see here directly would be here. Now what we will have to do, just we will have to go for change or continue. Here just we don't have to do especially click on a continue. Don't go for continue, because otherwise of course you will trap in a it's verify you. This is a Google features and that of course you can trap here. So just to be able to go for here change the password, and now we'll have will have the strong opportunity to create the strong password, and of course the confirms to the password, and after changing, of course, we can add the recovery email and recovery phone number. So further this kind of incident won't be happen again or repeated again. So guys, don't go for continue, otherwise of course you will trap on a verified SEO. So go with similar strategy. This is all about lab recording. We cannot generate here the password because this will be in a public domain, so that's why actually security concerns, guys. This is all about in this video tutorials. Now I will have to deliver this idea also to my friends, my viewer. This is all about in this video tutorial. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.